This AI is not just smart, it's massively advanced. Are we ready for what Janus Pro AI can do? Let me hit you with some cold hard truth. Right now, at this very moment, someone is outpacing you. Someone is closing more deals, generating more revenue, and scaling their business at an insane speed while you're still stuck doing things manually. And guess what? They're not working harder than you. They're not pulling all-nighters, drowning in emails, or juggling 100 tasks at once. They have an unfair advantage. It's called Janus Pro AI. This isn't your average AI assistant. It doesn't just follow orders. It thinks, predicts, and executes faster than you ever could. Emails, written, optimized, and sent before you even open your inbox. Reports, generated in seconds with insights you'd spend hours analyzing. Marketing campaigns, launched while you're still brainstorming ideas. And here's the real shocker. It doesn't just save time. It eliminates waste. Why pay for an entire team when Janus Pro does it better? Without salaries, sick days, or mistakes? Why spend hours on tasks that AI can handle in minutes so you can focus on growth instead? And before you tell yourself, I don't need this yet, let me ask you something. How much longer are you going to work harder instead of smarter? Because while you're debating, your competitors are already using Janus Pro to crush their goals, scale their businesses, and leave everyone else in the dust. This isn't the future. This is happening now. Here's the brutal truth. Every second you hesitate, someone else is using Janus Pro AI to get ahead. While you're still stuck in the cycle of endless tasks, they're outsourcing the grind to AI, cutting costs, saving time, and scaling like never before. So what's stopping you? Fear of change? Sticking to old school methods? Thinking AI is just a trend? Listen, this video is your wake-up call. If you don't adapt now, you risk falling behind permanently. Because let's be real, AI isn't the future. It's already here. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down exactly why Janus Pro is rewriting the rules of business, how it can take your productivity to levels you never thought possible, and most importantly, how you can use it before your competitors leave you in the dust. Watch till the end, because by the time we're done, you won't just want Janus Pro, you'll need it. Let's go. You wake up, grab your phone, and something feels off, but not in a bad way. In fact, it's the opposite. Your inbox? Cleared. Reports? Analyzed and summarized. Client emails? Answered with perfect precision. Your latest marketing campaign? Designed, optimized, and already outperforming last week's results. And the wildest part? You never even touched any of it. It wasn't your assistant. It wasn't your team. It was Janus Pro AI, working while you slept, learning while you rested, optimizing while you focused on what actually matters. Let's say our biggest competitor is waking up to the same reality. Except they're still stuck in the grind. They're drowning in tasks, buried under emails, stressing over deadlines, because they don't have Janus Pro. They're doing things the old way, while you're operating on a whole new level. And here's the real game changer. This AI doesn't just follow instructions. It predicts what you need before you even realize it. It adapts to your workflow like a top-tier strategist. It removes inefficiencies, automates decisions, and scales your business while you focus on the bigger picture. And the more you use it, the smarter it gets. It studies your style, it refines its responses, it optimizes itself until it feels like an extension of your own mind. So let's ask the real question. If AI can handle everything, what's left for you to do? Keep struggling to keep up? Watch your competitors automate, scale, and dominate? Or step ahead, take control, and make Janus Pro your competitive edge before it's too late? That's not wishful thinking. That's what Janus Pro AI is doing for businesses right now. Saves you time. What used to take hours, market research, drafting proposals, scheduling posts, is now handled in seconds. Instead of working late, you'll have time for what actually matters: growth, strategy, and maybe even a life outside work. Cuts costs instantly. Think about it. Why pay thousands for teams of assistants, marketers, and analysts when one AI can handle it all? Companies are already slashing expenses by over 60% just by integrating Janus Pro. Eliminates effort. No more jumping between tabs, writing the same emails, or crunching numbers. Janus Pro learns your workflow, adapts to your needs, and executes faster than any human ever could. The best part? The longer you use it, the smarter it gets. It starts to anticipate what you need before you even ask. Before you get too excited, let me be brutally honest. Janus Pro AI is not for everyone. In fact, it might not be for you at all. Sure, it's powerful. Yes, it's changing industries. But here's the hard truth. Not everyone is ready for this level of automation. If you love wasting time on repetitive tasks, Janus Pro is not for you. This AI doesn't just assist, it completes tasks instantly. If you enjoy spending hours on research, writing emails, and managing spreadsheets, then keep doing things the old way. If you believe AI is just a trend, Janus Pro is not for you. This isn't some passing tech hype. It's already saving businesses millions by automating high-level decision-making, marketing strategies, and customer engagement. But if you think AI isn't the future, you might as well ignore it, while your competition gets ahead. If you're afraid of scaling too fast, Janus Pro is not for you. This AI is designed for those who want to work less and earn more. It streamlines workflows, removes bottlenecks, and maximizes efficiency. But if you're comfortable with slow progress, you won't need it. And the biggest one? If you're not ready to adapt, Janus Pro will leave you behind. The world is shifting. Businesses are automating, AI is replacing entire teams, and those who refuse to embrace it will struggle to compete. But if you're the type who's always looking for an edge, who wants to work smarter, not harder, then Janus Pro AI isn't just an option. It's your next big move. Here's why you should use Janus Pro AI. Maximize productivity without extra effort. Why waste hours on research, writing, scheduling, and analysis when Janus Pro can handle it all in seconds? It doesn't just execute tasks, it thinks, optimizes, and adapts so you can focus on growth instead of grunt work. Save money, scale faster. Think about how much you spend on hiring, outsourcing, and managing operations. Janus Pro replaces inefficiency, handling tasks that would normally require a full team, without salaries, delays, or human errors. AI that learns and grows with you. Most AI tools just follow commands. Janus Pro evolves, learning your style, predicting what you need, and making your workflow smoother every single day. The more you use it, the better it gets. Stay ahead while others fall behind. The world is automating at lightning speed. Businesses that integrate AI now will dominate the future. Those who don't, they'll struggle to keep up. Janus Pro isn't just about saving time, it's about staying competitive in an AI-driven world. The bottom line? You can either keep working harder, or you can work smarter with Janus Pro AI. The choice is yours. If you're tired of wasting hours on repetitive tasks, losing money on inefficiencies, and struggling to keep up in a world that's moving at AI speed, then this is your moment. Janus Pro doesn't just help, it transforms the way you work, making you faster, smarter, and more profitable. Janus Pro AI is the future, and the future belongs to those who are bold enough to use it. The choice is yours. Make it count. Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Innovate Matrix for more cutting-edge AI insights.